Hey man, well, you're the horse in here is Florida, I'm gonna force you to board force.
Hey guys, we're at Strawberry. Ooh, there's someone fishing down there. It's like 30 degrees, Memorial Day weekend. Anyways, Ty's with us. He's down here for the holiday from Idaho. It's not even stepping stones, it's just gunk that gathered.
What?
So it's not even stepping stones.
Am I the dummy, Adam?
Yes. How did you get over there? Oh dear.
I'm going. Nice.
You caught one?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Use some Powerbait I bought yesterday. Here's corn. I got corn Powerbait. I got corn and yellow Powerbait, by the way. Corn and cheese Powerbait. Gosh dang, I have to pee. Yeah, I'm just letting you know. This is the stinkiest Powerbait in all of existence of Powerbait. Maybe the garlic one's bad too, but the corn is bad.
Sand hollow. There's strawberry in like 3 years. There's a bird in my path. Bird, go away.
Where did you cast?
Straight in front of me.
Okay. Oh, I didn't check to see if that floated. Probably does. I might have I think I have another one in my bag. If you need it. Okay. I thought I did.
I don't need a bell.
Using a J spec on this one. I was here fishing with my boss 3 weeks ago. The water was lower, like caught a fish out on the end of the finger out there. Like now you can't even get to it. We barely got to this stretch of land. But nice cutthroats on a J spec. Wow, caught weed.
Smoke weed every day.
It's cold.
Look over at Ty. His hands are in his back pocket. He's just like, it's cold. This water is really clear. Oh, I passed it. Why did I pass it? Okay. You got the bell?
Yeah, go for it. Something there?
No.
Let it go? Oh, I let it go. The drag wasn't set, bro. Oh.
Nope.
That was the thing, you literally had no drag set. Yeah. Here's your bell back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so they hit it a lot like that a few weeks ago where it's like, it's just ringing for a split second.
Yeah.
Well, first bite.
He had it for a bit, he legit pulled the rod into the water.
Oh wow. Got one. Yep. Oh! Yep. That was a cutty, dude. It was literally just like a weight. It was just like, I thought I hooked a rock sort of feeling. You getting hit?
Yep.
Oh, yep. Look at that. Is he still running with it?
He hit it again. Oh, yeah. Oh, Oh, whoa, holy crap. My drag broke.
Oh crap.
The drag's busted.
Got one. Yep. He hit it hard. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's a small guy. Oh my gosh, this thing's tiny. No, it's a it's a rainbow. Crap. Crap, 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 crap. Nope. Come get my rod, dude. My other rod. Nope. Nope.
He's there. Set the hook on him.
That's what I meant to say. How does this... My drag really loose? Okay, yeah, my drag was really loose. 2 at once.
Yep. Look at Adam go. You take care of your own fish, boy.
Yeah. Okay.
You did this. This is your fault.
The timing was impeccable. Guys, look at this. Stay still, I'm trying to save your life. Hey guys, so my battery died at the end of that sequence there. But I got the big trout. It's a rainbow on a stringer. The small one's released. Now I've just got to re-rig everything. And that big fish started bleeding. The hook barely touched its gill. Oh, that's a fish. No, is that a duck? Or no, that's a fish.
Where?
Right there. That's splashing along the shore. Yep, that's a fish chasing another fish.
Oh my gosh, there's a giant cutter. Look at that thing. Look at that.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Hold it to its nose.
Okay, is that the nose? Alright, big. Oh, well, that fish wanted to go real quick.
Oh, yeah, he just was like kicked off and then just chilled.
You know, like set into that thing, and I'm like, oh, that's a big fish.
Oh, you know what's also great?
What?
That's your first trout at Strawberry, and it was a record. It's a PB, dude.
Yes! What a way to start off.
Are you kidding me? Oh, I see it. Like, it's close enough that if it was warmer out, I would be tempted to walk. Yeah. But I'm wearing pants, so that would be really uncomfortable.
Never mind, it's hooked. One of the hooks is stuck in the part of the rock. There's like a crack.
Oh, is it fishing line?
I'm moving the rock.
Oh, dang.
At least I was. Ah, come on. I moved the rock.
Yeah.
This is stupid.
Oh, no way. Guys, look. We just caught a rock.
Have fun.
Dude, what the heck? That never happens, ever.
You're welcome.
What the heck is happening?
I don't know what's happening.
That's a heavy fish. No,
That's a heavy fish. Another big fish.
look at that. I literally turned off my camera because I wasn't thinking. Or stopped. Okay, pliers.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Oh, it's dang.
Oh, it's another big cutty.
Oh, that thing's huge.
Oh my gosh. Bruh.
Okay, I'm gonna get my gloves off so I can land them for you. Oh my gosh, that thing's huge.
Yes.
And in the lip.
In the lip. Sweet. You giant cut. That would have broken my PB cutty again.
Yeah.
Honestly. I don't know what's going on. This is...
You dreaming?
I'm what?
Are you dreaming?
Am I dreaming? I don't... Am I dead? Let me take my pulse real quick.
Yep.
I'm coming. Big cutty, baby. Oh god. Oh.
Okay. Look at that, guys. Oh, I hope my GoPro's still on. I wouldn't have heard it turn off. Oh, it's still going. Look at that.
Look at that, guys. Cutthroat part fish.
But so hard.
The multi-species Dave Caldwell.
Oh, dude. He bent my hook.
Yeah?
Never mind, this is a different hook.
Adam, you have a chipmunk in your backpack.
Hey, what?
You have a chipmunk in your backpack.
Whoa!
Hey, your GoPro's not good for that.
And he pooped in here. So much for my burrito.
Eat your burrito?
I put a little bit in there, but he pooped in there, and I don't want to risk it.
Ew, yeah, no.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's so great. I
He
think
was right there for the GoPro.
that's so sick.
So funny.
I'm excited to see that one. Hey guys, it is cold, breezy, and look, clouds are rolling back in.